This call is now being recorded.
मैम हो गया रिकॉर्डिंग.
हाँ, okay, thank you. So suppose if it is given that 200 paise, so equals to how many rupees? 200 paise means 2 rupees. Why? Because we have to divide.
2 rupees.
So here also we have to divide by 100. This centimeter meter is very easy, like rupee and paise only. It is very easy. This one.
ये रुपये और पैसे के वो चैप्टर को क्या बोलते हैं?
What? Money chapter. Means heading last
money.
money was given.
Handling data.
In handling data, all the data will also given. Even in this year also, I think so 14 or 15 chapter is that.
Oh, इतने सारे
Then,
चैप्टर है?
what?
इतने सारे चैप्टर है?
Then kilometer and meter you have to just multiply by 1000. So 10, 100 and 1000. When to take no that you must have to know. Okay? Means when to take 1000, when to take 100 and when to take 10. So that much only is important. So remember that table also. So now learn this table, then I will take a test. Okay, when we have to convert from centimeter to millimeter, so we are multiplying by 10. When we have to convert from meter to centimeter, we are multiplying by 100. And when we are converting kilometer to meter, we are multiplying by 1000.
हाँ यही पूछोगे ना?
How many minutes you want to learn?
Only 10 seconds.
मैम 0 minutes 30 seconds.
Yeah, ma'am, 10 seconds give.
Okay.
मैम
बहुत
10
easy है.
seconds.
10 सेकंड में हो जाएगा.
Okay.
मैम 5 seconds.
हाय ये भाई 5 सेकंड साउनी चाहिए. तू तो 10 सेकंड भी नहीं दे रहा है यार.
Yeah. Ma'am, I can't see your screen. Ma'am, with the yes.
Okay, good. And Rakib, what is the problem? What you said?
भाई नहीं दिख रही आपकी स्क्रीन.
Every time?
उसको 10 सेकंड बाद ही दिखती है. सर जो आवाज बोलते हैं ना उसको 10 सेकंड बाद सुनाई देती है. फिर बोलता है यस सर.
Okay. Maybe there is network issue, Ragib. So whether you have to wait or whether you can try something, means you can rejoin or something else, or you can wait.
मैम स्टार्ट कर दो.
So now everyone has learned, no?
यस
This
मैम.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
bigger unit to smaller. And why bigger to smaller is written? Because millimeter is the smallest. Then उससे बड़ा सेंटीमीटर होता है. स्केल होती है उसमें जो छोटा एरो है, छोटा पार्ट, वो मिलीमीटर. उससे बड़ा वो एक नंबर होता है सेंटीमीटर. उससे बड़ा मीटर होता है. उससे भी बड़ा किलोमीटर होता है. That's why here it is written that bigger to smaller. कोई बड़ा यूनिट हो उससे उससे उसमें से छोटे में कन्वर्ट करना हो.
हाँ तो किलोमीटर टू मीटर.
हाँ.
मीटर टू
And
सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर टू मिलीमीटर.
so now this is given in opposite way. वो वाला है ना, वो रुपीज से पैसे वाला था. ये पैसे टू रुपीज वाला है. तो इसमें डिवीजन आएगा. But divide by 10, divide by 100 and divide by 1000. The same 10, 100 and 1000. When millimeter is there, 10. When centimeter is there, 100. And when this kilometer and that is given this meter, so that time 1000. Okay, because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. That basic thing you have to remember. So this also learn. I'm keeping for 1 minute. Ragib, now are you able to see?
मैम डन बताइए।
Okay.
मेरा तो आपको पता ही है।
Yes.
I also Safa Muhammad Zaid. 8.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I'm also Hassan completed.
Okay. But Ragib, are you able to listen now? Means I want to ask that now you're able to see the screen
मैम
or not?
he is left।
He
मैम
left
he is
also.
not in the group। रागी बसन।
Okay.
कभी सैर करूं ऐसी कोई मिली नहीं जिससे तुझे
Whose mic is this?
मैम
कंपेयर करूं खाना
अहमद दोलिया।
तो क्या है, गाने बजा रहा हूँ।
Nee, but then also some horror movie or something, some voice are coming. Like someone is saying, one villain is saying dialogue.
मेरे फोन में गाने बज रहे हैं इसीलिए। चलो बंद कर देता हूँ।
Now I think so time, this much time is enough. Even PDF also I have sent that you can learn from that. Then this worksheet I have given first in starting.
सेकंड
And
टाइम इज
answers
हियर।
also I have keep in the group.
ये आंसर छोड़ दिया आपने?
नहीं नहीं,
हाँ
पहली जो वर्कशीट थी ना उसके
मीम।
अंदर, ये कल वाली वर्कशीट। कल नहीं, सॉरी, परसों। This
हाँ
one
वही।
I have given yesterday, day before yesterday. So let's just do one or two.
इसकी पिक फाड़ के आपको डाल रखी है।
Means हाँ,
मैं
so many boys have solved and they send me also.
I will also send.
Okay. So here you can see 2 meter equals to how many centimeter. So who knows the answer?
मैम ये रेसिपी बताइए।
200। मैम 200।
मैम गाइस रिपोर्ट द आंसर।
Oh. So guys, see what we had done. We have multiply or divide or with which number? How we got 200? What we did?
मल्टीप्लाई मैम।
Yes, multiply by 10 or 100.
100।
Yes, because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we have to multiply by 100.
आंसर
And
इज राइट।
when it is centimeter to meter, no, we have
तो
to
3
divide by 100.
सेंटीमीटर तो
Okay?
डिवीजन।
हाँ, very good. So here what will be the answer? First one.
3 सेंटीमीटर। 3 मीटर।
Yes,
3
3.
मीटर।
You have to divide. Yes. So I think so this one is also easy for you. So afterward match your answer. Even the answers also I have given.
रुको रुको रुको, स्क्रीनशॉट लेने दो या ग्रुप में भेजोगे?
I think so this will be in both.
ग्रुप में भेजोगे?
I have already sent to the
हाय हाय कैसे भेज दी?
पेज तो दी एक
यस
साथ।
मैम वी सेंड।
आज जितना भेजा ना उसमें सब एक साथ है।
हाँ 50 पेज में वही है।
हाँ
ओ मेरा सर मरे। कुछ नहीं,
then you can
गूगल
from
शुरू हो
kilometer.
जाता है।
So again here you have to remember that 1 kilometer equals to how many meter. So who
ओके मैम।
remember?
मैम हसन
Yes, Hasan.
मैम का रेसिपी बताइए।
1000।
Yes.
4।
1 kilometer or kilogram, for that 1000. So here when this bigger unit is given and smaller unit you have to convert, so you have to multiply by 1000. So 9 multiplied by 1000, what will be the answer?
9000।
मैम का
Yes,
रेसिपी बताइए।
9000. But someone say the answer. I don't remember who said.
मैम हसन say the
मैम
answer।
you asked the question so I give the answer.
Now I will say that say your name those who know the answer. So those who know the answer, this one say your name.
मैम हसन।
मैम बेटा
रेहान।
मोहम्मद जैद।
हाँ जेड यू कैन से।
Which number?
दिस फर्स्ट।
4 kilometer.
Yes, very good. Here we have to divide by 1000 in first one. 4000 divided by 1000, so 4.
तुझे कंपेयर करूं खाना खाने जो तू बेटे
So someone else is playing or you are only playing?
नो मैम महद ओनली।
मैम दोलिया माइक के जन्म
Oh, you are only playing? You are only watching that or someone else is watching and that noise is coming?
मेरे बाजू में बैठा हुआ है। ये भाई धीमू रख।
So you can see the answers are already given, so you can match your answer. First, do the practice of this in the rough book at home.
ये तो मैंने
And
की नहीं है। अब आप भेजो ले यार, एक एक करते हो।
एक एक करके मैं नहीं भेजने वाली। आज एक बार मैंने जो भेज दिया है ना उसी में से तुमको ढूंढना है। आज मैंने जो भेजा ना उसमें से ढूंढना है तुमको, जो चाहिए वो।
आंसर वाला करो ना।
नहीं भेजते, बोला सारे भेज देते हैं। लो नंबर का।
And this one is the last match the following which is given in the textbook. Okay?
बस
For
यार
that,
ये लास्ट है ना।
क्या क्या?
बाकी है पीरियड।
And this
ये
one,
लास्ट है ना और बाकी है।
हाँ कोई भी बाकी है तो बाद में कर लेना भाई। संडे तो है, मंडे के आगे, एग्जाम के आगे है तो सही। And this
हेलो।
extra I have given, everyone. This one I have given extra. So anyone
इसमें 25 वही है। एक्सप्लेनेशन में लेसन का है।
प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट है ना, प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट शेप
हाँ।
वाली जितनी भी प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट है ना वो तुम ड्रॉ कर सको तो करना है। ऐसा मैंने पहले बोला था कि अगर तुमको ड्रॉ करना आता हो
कन्वर्टिंग किलोमीटर तो
सो रीड द हेडिंग।
यार आंसर की ये
अच्छा
आ गया आ गया मैं अभी करके आपको भेजता है। भेजता है।
रीड द हेडिंग लाउडली।
मैम 46 पेज तो ये 49 पेज सॉरी 50
हसन
पेज में ये 2 मैथ्स का
मैम
बाकी
रीड द हेडिंग लाउडली।
यस मैम measure the
पीडीएफ
length
निकलवानी भी थी।
of the following objects and write in A for centimeter and millimeter.
In centimeter and millimeter means you have to see that where it ends. So here I'm trying to draw that where it ends.
हेलो मैम।
Yes, Shafiq.
Ma'am, this we have done in first.
मैम ये सब लिखने का है।
3.8
And now other all please let me talk with Shafiq. हाँ Shafiq से।
मैम ये सब लिखने का है।
नहीं ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए है। अगर प्रिंट निकलवा सको, ड्रॉ करना आता हो तो। जो चीजें एक्स्ट्रा दी है वो ड्रॉ करना आता हो तो करना है, ड्रॉ करना ना आता हो तो नहीं करना है। तो पीडीएफ में से ही देखना है बिकॉज आंसर्स आल्सो आई हैव गिवन इन द पीडीएफ। देखिए आज सुबह मैंने पीडीएफ भेजी वो शफीक।
दो मैं अभी देख लेता हूँ।
हाँ इन द ग्रुप ओनली आई हैव सेंड सो यू कैन डाउनलोड एंड यू कैन सी। तो हियर यू कैन सी ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर गिवन और वो जहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है वहां पे मैंने लाइन की है। सो यू टू टेल मी दैट बिफोर व्हिच नंबर इज गिवन।
मैम कैन आई सी बताइए
बेटा
मैम कैन आई सी आंसर
स्केल नहीं समवन ऑन द स्केल बिफोर लाइन व्हिच नंबर इज गिवन। मैंने जो लाइन ड्रॉ की है उससे पहले कौन सा नंबर है? कौन?
मैम रेहान घबरानी
हाँ
Is
घबराना
the same.
नहीं।
Yes.
This line I have drawn. So before this line, on the scale which number is given? वो लाइन से पहले कौन सा नंबर है स्केल के ऊपर?
4.
See, 0 is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all are given. But you have to say कि लाइन से पहले कौन सा है? लाइन से पहले, सबसे पहले।
3.
हाँ, 3. So 3 is there no before line. So that means number is centimeter. It is centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. Then after this and before line, how many parts are there?
4, 5.
You have to zoom your screen, then only it will be visible. So 8 parts.
Ma'am, Austin can say.
No, I'm only saying now that 8 parts are there. So that part is millimeter, and this number is centimeter.
Number is centimeter.
Okay. So you can see here also I have already written the answer.
अब ये किसने भेजा?
Ma'am, this is cheating.
I know this cheating. But you can, I said no, in the homework I have written that match your answer, you can do by yourself, revise again, solve again. So at your home, you can take out that page in which answers are not given. जो आंसर नहीं दिए ना वो घर पे ऐसे खोलना फिर अपने आप से आंसर सोचना फिर मैच करना ओके हसन
Okay, ma'am.
next time this time time is very less no that's why next time I will give you chance to solve okay I will not show the answer next time.
Okay, okay.
So here you can see in second that it ends here. ये pencil जहाँ खत्म होती है. So it ends at 15 exactly. So 15 centimeter. And after that 15 no arrows are there. So 0 millimeter. Now in this do you have any doubt? जहाँ पे खत्म होती हो वहाँ पे नंबर हो तो वहाँ पे उससे पहले का नंबर हो तो वो वाला नंबर और arrows.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
And other student arrows means
No,
big.
ma'am, no doubt. Son, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, you both don't have doubt. And you ask also mostly. I don't have to force you.
No doubt. No doubt.
Okay, Zaid also doesn't have doubt. 3 students don't have doubt. Other students?
तो मेरे को तो डाउट है ने ये
बोल।
3 सेंटीमीटर 8 मीटर कैसे हुआ 8 मिलीमीटर कैसे हुआ
No doubt.
ये
This,
No doubt.
ऊपर
No doubt.
4 सेंटीमीटर नहीं होगा
I'm saying, see, I say no, you to zoom your screen. Then I'm showing, see where it ends that. I'm trying to show the exact.
ओ समझ गया समझ गया
Isn't exact end? कोई चीज़
ओ इसलिए 8 मीटर किया
हाँ now mute your mic because
No doubt.
हाँ so before this line 3 is written that's why 3 centimeter and between 3 and this line there are 8 parts. So whose mic is this?
Ali Asgar Vasaya.
मतलब अली असगर
Alias, please mute your mic. Thank you. So between this 3 and this line 8 parts are there no that's why 8 millimeter. तो कोई चीजें exactly 4 पे exactly 5 पे exactly 6 पे end हो जाएगी कोई चीजें जैसे 5 और 6 के बीच में कहीं पे end होगी कोई चीजें 6 और 7 के बीच में कहीं पे end होगी so where these objects end between some number no there you have to take first number and these arrows so arrows will be millimeter number will be centimeter now any other doubts Ahad is this clear
No, ma'am, no doubt. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ahad
No, ma'am, no doubt. Yes, ma'am.
डाउट है अभी अहद से डाउट है क्या नहीं है
Ma'am, he is not unmuting the mic.
Now you can see this object. These objects also doesn't end at fixed number.
I'm
Means
at 8 centimeter and 8 millimeter.
So before this line you can see 8 is there, which is centimeter, and these arrows, that is millimeter. Any other doubts, everyone?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Then this one is centimeter and millimeter. Then next is only millimeter. Question. So in only millimeter you have to count all the arrows. All the arrows. From zero. From zero all the arrows.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the right that I have no doubt in chat box.
Okay. So here you can see 10 arrows means 10 parts here, 10 parts here, 10 parts here, 10 parts. And here it ends here, no? And we counted that here 8 parts are there. So total how many parts will be there? Total, from 0.
38 parts.
38. So 38 millimeter. Okay, only millimeter is written, that convert in only means measure in only millimeter. From 0 you have to count all the arrows. So is this clear about only millimeter?
Yes, ma'am, clear. Yes, ma'am, clear.
Good. Then when the heading is this, now another heading, that in centimeter. So again, you have to see that where it ends. So it ends here, and before this line 3 is given, so that is 3. But here they have given that don't write in millimeter but only centimeter. So these arrows you have to put like this, 0.8 centimeter. Why? Because out of 10 arrows, 8 arrows they have covered, which is 0.8. And when you will add 3 plus 0.8, no, 3.8 will come. So is this clear? 3.8. This 3 centimeter, this 0.8 is that arrow. Is this clear? 0.8, that is arrow.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Another student? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, no doubt.
Then here also you can see many times that is given in the textbook. And what is the time?
What, ma'am?
What is the time right now?
9:28.
8. So in 2 minutes I will finish. So you can see I'm just trying to draw that where it ends. So it ends here, suppose. So you have to write in all, centimeter and millimeter also, only centimeter and only millimeter. So it ends after 3. So 3 is there before that. And arrows and parts, so 3. So in centimeter you just have to put point 3.3, and in millimeter 33. You can see same numbers are there, 32, 32, 32, 32. Here
Ma'am, this we have done in first only.
Okay. So in this, do you have any doubt, any other student?
No, ma'am, no doubt, son. No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. And this one we have already done. We have revised also today. So just revise everything, all this. Then this match the following.
Ma'am,
Yes. It's 9:30 already. So this match the following we'll do next time. Yes.
ये फेयर बुक में करना है कि टेक्स्ट बुक में?
Textbook. If you have textbook in textbook, if you don't have textbook, you can do Xerox or otherwise.
मैम फेयर बुक में नहीं करे तो चलेगा?
But that which chapter? That 13 you have to do, because in that shapes are not there, means scale or objects you don't have to draw.
Only chapter 10, no. Chapter 11, no.
Because in that 11 also that scale is given, object is given. That's why.
Ma'am, chapter 10 we have write in fair book.
Chapter 10 also you have done in fair book.
No, ma'am, I asked that we have to write